The family of 20-year-old woman who was allegedly raped and brutalized in Uttar Pradesh Hathras last month, causing her death a fortnight later, has filed a petition in the Allahabad High Court accusing the district administration of illegally confining them in their house. In another development, the main accused in the case has written to the Uttar Pradesh police claiming that he and 3 other accused are being framed in the case and sought justice for the 4 men.
A petition filed by the Akhil Bharatiya Valmiki Mahapanchayat on behalf of victims' family in Hathras has said that the victims' parents, 2 brothers and 2 other relatives have been prevented from meeting or communicating with people freely, thereby violating their right to freedom of speech and expression. In the petition filed in the Allahabad High Court, the family has alleged that they were detained in their house by the district administration on 29 September and 30th September and were not allowed to meet anyone. While later they were allowed to meet a few people, they have not been allowed to move out of their house at free will. The habeas corpus plea has sought the release of the petitioner from illegal confinement. Meanwhile, the main accused in the case has written to the Uttar Pradesh police claiming that he and the 3 other accused are being framed in the case and sought justice for the 4 men. He also accused the woman's mother and brother for torturing her. The letter has emerged amid police claims that there is evidence that the victim's family knew one of the accused. Sandeep Thakur, who is in jail along with the 3 others, has written a letter to the police in Hathras claiming that he and the 20-year-old woman were friends. Apart from meeting, we used to speak on the phone once in a while, he wrote on Wednesday in the handwritten letter in Hindi. The letter has the thumb impression of all the 4 accused. The UP police had claimed that call records revealed that the woman's brother was in touch with Sandeep Thakur. Some 104 calls were made between the brother and Sandeep Thakur from October last year to March, the police claim. Sandeep Thakur in his letter alleged that family did not like their friendship. On the day of the incident, I had gone to meet her in the fields that day where mother and brothers were also present. I returned home after being asked by her to do so. Then I started feeding cattle, he said. I later got to know from the villagers that her mother and brothers beat her up over our friendship, injuring her badly. I have never beaten her or done anything wrong with her. Her mother and brothers falsely accused me and 3 others and sent us to jail. We are all innocent. Request you to please investigate and get us justice, he said. However, victim's father has denied the allegation made by the accused. The allegations are totally false. We don't need and want any compensation or any money. We want justice, he said. Bureau Report.